This is Jeff Lacey of easelsgalore.com.au. I'm going to show you how to assemble a basic A-frame. In this case, my student model 1800 in Victorian mountain ash. This is how all the components will arrive. They are already labelled with C's and D's and A's. The idea is you put A to A and C to C. You can see the outlines where the parts go. You have a packet of screws. You will need glue. There will be a recommended glue, which is this one, a cross-linking PVA, $10 at Bunnings, and you'll need something to screw it up with. The bottom mount comes fully assembled. So I'll now put this together in real time.